Heritage runs deep within APM. Over 65 years ago, APM first opened its doors as Arentsville Planing Mill, a wood product manufacturer. It's their heritage in manufacturing that led APM to develop and manufacture innovative products like the Tough Post and Endura Metal, in addition to other building products. By the mid-20th century, Arentsville Planing Mill officially became APM as a full-service lumber yard and a true value hardware store. The store continues to be solely dedicated to serving the local community and as a full-service building supplier to serve the needs of the local hardworking builders. As a third-generation family-run company, APM has embraced its long heritage of manufacturing, commitment to serve the community, and ambition for future growth. The ambition to prosper for the future generation propelled APM to launch their unique pole building kit that includes everything from the master plans to the screws needed for assembly. APM's heritage is not just an appreciation for the past, it's a blueprint for the future.